Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D. I am the CEO and founder of smartandgood.com, a digital online marketing agency that offers website designs, online marketing, domain name and hosting services to small and local businesses and help them build their online presentation. Now in today's videos, I want to show you guys how to create an AI SaaS business that you can use this to power your business, or better yet, you can generate some passive income with it. Okay, let's get started. This is the websites we are going to build today. As you can see, this website right here is already pre-built for us with all of these features, with all of the options. As you can see right here, this website has a very nice responsive template. It will work on the mobile devices, tablet, and on the laptop devices. As you can see right here, it looks very nice. This has a one-page features where you can click on this menu right here, and then it will just take you to different parts of the website. As you can see right here, we have the pricing where people can pay for the monthly or they can pay for the yearly plan. As you can see right here with all the features, people can click right here to sign up. Now this is a Stripe secure payment checkout. People can enter their email, password, they can sign in. If they don't have the account, they can click and sign up for the account, just like that. As you can see right here. Okay, we can click right here to go back. All right, so basically in order to get this script right here, all you have to do is just go to codecanyon.net. I'll leave the links of this authors in the video description so you can check it out. Basically, this author has made 622 sales already, and it has a 4.85 reviews on Code Canyon. Okay, as you can see, these are of the features. Okay, and surprisingly, this script is very affordable for just about $40. You'll be able to have a script where you can install on your servers, and then you can run your AI SaaS business in just a matter of day, you know. As you can see, this is the admin dashboard. This is where it reports of the sales of the users and how many words the users use on your script. And these are of the AIs that Magic AI supported: OpenAI, ChatGPT, Ada, DaVinci, DALL-E. So these are all the features. As you can see, how to install. It's very simple, it's very easy. As you can see right here, we have the AI writer right here. We have the AI image generator. Okay, and we have the AI chatbot right here, AI transcription, AI coder. Okay, so it's very useful. As you all know, AI is very fast and very useful in some cases. In my case, I do run a web hosting business. So it's kind of helped me a lot with designing website for my clients, you know, and, you know, generating new ideas and stuff like that. Okay, so these are all the features that Magic AI supported. Okay, so in order to get this, all you have to go over here, click add to cart. Now this is going to be my first time purchasing this plugin right here, so I'm just going through the process of, you know, installing it and show you guys how it's work. Okay, so the total is about $43, so I'm going to pay right now. All right, you guys, and just like that, I just completed making the payment for this plugin right here. Now all I have to do is just click right here to download. Okay, so the second step is that we would need a servers in order to host the script right here. You can go to building.smartandgood.com. I'll leave the links of my domain names and hosting services in the video descriptions so you guys can check it out. Basically, if you don't have the domain name, you can go in here, you can search for example smart AI. Okay, we can click right here to search to see if this domain is available. So basically this is already taken, so I'm going to use 101. So basically this domain is available. I can click right here to add this domain to carts, and then if I don't have hosting yet, I can go over here and explore the packages. Okay, so these are the hosting packages. I would suggest you start with the $15 a month. So these are all these features that it come with this package right here. If you pay 1 year for this plan right here, you are going to get the free domain name. Okay, I can click right here to order. I can use this domain I picked earlier, and I can click right here to continue. Okay, if I choose the domain name, I can choose the DNS management just in case I want to point this domain to a different IP address and stuff like that. You can ID protect your domain name right here, and you can use these features right here to forward your business email to your Gmail. An example, for example, if you sign up for this domain name right here, you can create the boss at smartai101.com, and then whenever people email you at that address right here, it'll forward this address right here to your Gmail inbox. So it's very cool features right here. Click continue. Alright, you guys, and for these web hostings and the domain registrations, it's going to be about $42 for today. We can go right here to checkout. All right, in order to complete this, first we need to enter the names, the last name, email address, and phone number, and then your business informations right here. If you have the address, okay, city, state, and stuff like that. Okay, you can enter the password right here, confirm password, and then this is where you would enter your card information right here, expiration dates, CVC code. Okay, and all you have to do now is just complete this order right here. Alright, you guys, as you can see, after you check out, this is your dashboard right here. As you can see right here, we have the service, we have the domain name if you purchase one. If you purchase a domain name and hosting services, you see your products right here, which is already connected with your domain name. As you can see right here, we can click right here to log into our cPanel, and we can click right here to view more details. Okay, as you can see, this is our cPanel right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to go to our file manager, and we are going to extract the download files we download earlier from Code Canyon. And as you can see, I already extracted this folder right here, and this is the files we are going to upload it to our server. And right here we have the documents, which you can click right here to view the PDF file. We can copy this link right here. We can go to our browser, and we can paste this in right here. As you can see, I already opened it up right here. So now we are going to extract the Magic AI files on our server. Okay, go to our file managers on our server. Go to public HTMLs. We can just upload it right here. Okay, click on upload, select the file, go to our download, and look for that folder right here. And this is the zip files. We are going to upload it to our server. Okay, so it's going to take some time right now. All right, you guys, so the files is already uploaded to our server. We can go back over here. We can refresh this page right here, or we can just click right here to reload, and you see the zip file right here. And what we are going to do is that we are going to extract this zip files into this folders right here. All right. Okay, so we just finished extracting this file. Okay, seconds, we are going to check for the file permissions. So all folders permissions should be 755, all files permissions should be 644, and this environment file should be permission to 640. We can double check right here. So all folders, all directory is 755, 644, as you can see right here. Alright, so now we are going to install the Magic AI. Basically, all we have to do is just go to this URL right here, okay, and slash install. Basically, it's your domain name, the one you purchased earlier. As you can see in our clients, this is our domain name right here. We can copy this link right here. We can go over here, paste this in right here, slash install. Okay, and just like that, we are going to go through these setup steps in order to install Magic's AI. We can click right here to go to the next steps, and we are going to check for this server requirement to make sure everything is green. And as you can see, the files infos right here is red, so we are going to troubleshoot for this issue right here. Okay, you guys, so I just went into my system and installed this files info extensions for the PHP versions, and I just refresh it and it should be all set now. So now on, whenever you sign up for these domain name and hosting services with our system, we have created the server environment that's perfectly compatible with the Magic AI, so that when you go through these installations steps, you would have all of these green checked right here. So now all we have to do is just click right here to go to the next step. Now all you have to do is just give your app a name, Smart AI. Okay, and this is our app link. As you can see right here, we can click right here to set up our database. Okay, so leave this as it. And for the database, we need to go back to our cPanels. We can go to my database right here. And now we are going to create a new database named Smart AI. You can name it whatever, just make sure you remember this. Okay, create database. Now we can click right here to go back. And we are going to create a new username, Smart AI. Give it a password. Okay, now create user. We can click right here to go back. Okay, so now we need to add the users to the database. As you can see, the users is Smart AI. The database name is Smart AI. We can click right here to add. So we are going to give it our privileges and click right here to save the changes. Okay, now we can go back to our installations right here. Database name is going to be Millennials Smart AI. I'm going to copy this right here, and it's going to be the same thing for the user. Enter the password. It's very simple, you guys. So all you have to do is just go through the step process, and just like that, you guys, we complete the installations. Now we can click right here to activate Magic AI. Okay, as you can see, this is our URL. This is the exact websites that we previewed earlier in the video. And now we can make the changes for this website right here. We can enter our payment informations in, and we can make the changes for these text and images and stuff like that, so that when people sign up for these pricing plan right here, you get paid. Okay. All right. In order to activate this website right here, we need to go back to our document. As you can see right here, this is the URL for the document that we copied earlier, and we paste it into our browser. We can go to the activations right here, and now we can click right here to go to the Liquid portal. Okay, and we need to create an account, enter a password. and we can click right here to register. All right, and now we can click right here to connect with Envato. This is where we purchased the plugin earlier. Make sure when you purchase the plugin, you have the account so that now you can activate it. We can click right here to approve. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we already connect with Envato. Now all we have to do is just go back to our websites right here. We can click right here to sign in. Now, if you want to get the sign-ins, the default login, you can always find in the installations right here. If you scroll all the way down here, you will see the default login credential. You can copy this login right here, go back to our website, and we can enter right here for the password. It's 128. Okay, and we can click right here to sign in. Login successful. Alright, you guys, as you can see, these are all of these AI's applications. Look very nice. Okay, we can click right here to connect to a Liquid portal. Alright, and we can click right here to complete activations. Please select a license code. We can select this one right here, complete activation. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we connected our license to our website. So now we can update this website right here with just a click of a button. Alright, you guys, so now let's set up this website right here. If you scroll down in your dashboard, you will see the settings. We can click right here, go to general. Okay, so basically we get to name our site right here. We can name it Smart AI, give our site the URL. Okay, so site email, and you can scroll down here and you can make the changes for the country, currency, and stuff like that, depend on your location. We can allow the social login right here, and down here this is our logo. We can click right here to choose the logo. Okay, so this is the SEO settings. We can copy the Google Analytics tracking ID and paste it in here. We can give our websites the meta as titles. For example, Smart Team Good AI Tool. Okay, so for the meta descriptions, for these right here, we can use the AI to generate the description for us and generate the keywords for us. Just like that, you guys. And here we can enable these features right here or disable them. Just simply click on them. When you're done, you can click right here to save the changes. Alright, now we can go to the next setups. As you can see, we can click right here to set up with OpenAI. You click on the OpenAI setups right here. It shows you all the steps that you need to take in order to set up. We can go to OpenAI right here. As you can see, I already opened it, but you can click right here to get started. If you not already have the account, you can continue to sign up for the account. If you have it, you can click right here to login. Okay, so in my case, I'm just going to login. All right. Alright, you guys, so now all you have to do is just go to the personal right here, click on it, view API key. As you can see, I have a couple right here. We can click right here to create a new one, give it a name, create the secret key. Now we can copy this one right here, and we can go back to our dashboard and we can paste in the secret key. We can scroll down here. We can make the changes for these settings right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to save for now, and then we can go back up here. We can click right here to save the settings to make sure it's work. Okay, so the first time this didn't work because as you can see right here, it's stated that we need to set up the billing in our API's dashboard. Okay, so if you go over the OpenAI billing right here, we need to set up the billing in order for this to work. So I just enters my credit cards informations in here, and basically this is a pay as you go plan. Okay, and we can go back to our smart AI over here. We can click right here and start testing our API to see if it's work. As you can see, this is successful right here. All right, you guys, so now let's do another test. We can go to the AI chat right here, and we can choose the experts. As you can see, we have the finance experts. Let's check it out. I already started a conversation, so the AI just introduced itself, and I say, okay, so how can I set up a better finance for a smart and good web hosting business? So this is my response. So first and foremost, let's focus on budgeting and stuff like that. As you can see, so it just give me off the crucial information about finances and stuff like that for my business. Okay, so it's look like it's a very reliable source of AI. Okay, so now let's test with another prompt. How to set up tax for smart and goods. For example, enter. Okay, so the AI is very responsive, as you can see right here. Let's test out a different AI model. We can go to the AI writer. Over here, if we scroll down, we'll see YouTube video descriptions, YouTube videos titles, YouTube video tags. So I'm going to test this one right here, but we have a bunch of different tools right here for Facebook ads, for testimonial reviews. Okay, so look very promising. Okay, we can try this one right here. For example, I'm creating an AI SaaS business for less than $200. Okay, how to create AI SaaS business for less than 200. All right, just like that, we can choose the maximum length, the language, the creativities, the tone of voice. Okay, we can click right here to generate. Voila, just like that, you guys, we are writing a YouTube video descriptions right here. All right, it looked very promising. In this highly informative videos, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your very own AI SaaS software as a service business with an unbelievable low budget of less than $200. Yes, you heard it right. Wow, this is very good, you guys. Okay, so we can go to the AI code right here. We can tell it to write a plugin for us. For example, create a WordPress plugin that connects ChatGPT to WordPress. Okay, let's give it a hard task to see how it's going to handle. Coding language, PHP. Alright, so the software just created a plugin for me with all these instructions. Okay, create a folders called ChatGPT plugins and add it to the WP Contents plugins directory. Okay, so it just gives us a bunch of code right here. We can copy this, okay, and we can paste it in our file. So it's look very promising. It's look very nice. It's just like ChatGPT, but in a way you can make money with this platform right here. All right, so in order to make money, first we need to set up the payment gateway. We can go to the finance right here. We can set up the membership plan, and then we can set up the payment gateway. So let's go to payment gateway first. We can set up with Stripe. Click on settings right here, and now we need to enable the gateway right here. Okay, so the gateway is live. Okay, so it's going to be in United States US dollar. We need to copy the API key, the secret key. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to Stripe. All right, so this is my Stripe account. Let's log in. Okay, so let's turn on test mode right here, and we can go to developer, and we can click on the API key right here. We can copy this publish key, and we can go back to smart AI, and we can paste this in the sandbox right here. For example, because we are testing right now, we can turn this into the sandbox. Okay, so we can enable this right here. But if your website is live, you can enter the real API key right here. Okay, so I'm just going to test it out to see how it's work. We can click right here. Okay, and just like that, we save the settings for Stripe. Now we can go to the finance again, membership plan. Okay, so this is where we are going to create our pricing. Okay, we can click right here to create a new subscription. Give it some name, basic, for example, and we are going to give it a price for $10. We can give a 7 days trials. This is a monthly. Okay, and this features plan, yes or no? No. Okay, so totals, we can do 300,000 for image. Okay, 100,000 images, and we can choose the AI name right here, ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, and stuff like that. Max tokens, we can do like 2,000, and over here can create AI images, yes. Okay, templates access, yes. Okay, so these are all the features that they come with for that price, $10. So these are all the features. We can copy and paste it in here. For example, AI chatbot. Alright, so let's save this right here. Okay, so the system say we need to at least enable one gateway. To be able to do that, we can go to the finance over here. We can click on the payment gateway right here. We can go to Stripe, and we can click right here to enable the gateway, and let's save it. Now we can click right here to save. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we have the first subscriptions pricing. Now we can go to our front end. Okay, as you can see, ai.smartandgood.com. This is the URL we set up earlier. And if you scroll all the way down here, and just like that, you see the pricing right here. People can click right here to sign up for this plan. Okay, so since I already logged in, that's why it takes me straight to the dashboard. But if you browse it on the incognito window, okay, so it's going to ask you to log in, as you can see right here, and people can click right here to sign up. And just like that, the registrations is complete, and it's redirect them to the dashboards. And over here they can use the AI chat. Okay, so because we set up our payment gateway as the sandbox, so it just log us straight into the dashboard without asking us to enter our payment details. So in order to change that, we can go to our dashboard, and we can make the changes in our Stripe settings right here, and we can turn it into the live. Okay, and we can enter of our API key right here and the secret key right here. Alright, you guys, and when you're done, you can click right here to save. The cool features is that we have the AI voiceovers. This is where we can enter our speeches and generate it, and then it will give us the MP3 files. In order to set this up, we need to go to settings right here. We can go to the Google text-to-speech settings, and this is where we are going to paste in the links for the JSON files. In order to generate this JSON files, we need to go to the theme document, and we can scroll to the Google text-to-speech setups right here. It will give us all the instructions of how to do this. Okay, so all you have to do is just click right here to go to the Google Cloud. We can go to our project. Let's create a new project, and let's call it Smart AI. We can click right here to create. So it's creating the new projects for us. Alright, and just like that, we can click right here to select this project. Okay, so we are currently in our projects right here. We can click right here, text to speech. Text to speech API. Cloud text, speech to text, text to speech API right here. We can click on it, and we can click right here to enable, and we need to enable billing right here. Okay, so choose your billing account. Since I already set up, so I'll just choose my billing account right here. Okay, you guys, so I had a little hiccup when I was enabling the cloud text to speech API. The problem was my billing account. So basically, as you can see right here, this is my console. Okay, I can go to the dashboard. If you have any issue with your billing, you can go over here to your billing. As you can see, I have multiple billing account. So let me show you this real quick. So this is my first billing. I tried to connect to this billing account right here, but because it's in Vietnamese dong, that's why it didn't work. So I had to create a new account and then set it to US dollar, and now it's work. As you can see right here, after enabling it, I can click right here to go and manage this API right here. Okay, you guys, so once you are here, you can go to the credential right here. We can click on this add button and add the service account. Okay, so now give it a name. Okay, we have the service ID account right here. Now give it a descriptions. Now all you have to do is just click right here, done. Okay, let's click on this email right here. We can go to the key right here. We can click right here to add a key, create a new key, a JSON file, create. Okay, just like that, we download the JSON file. Now all we have to do is just upload it to our server. In order to do that, first we need to navigate to our cPanels. Okay, so we can go to a new tab. If you purchase domain name and hosting from smartandgood.com, you can go to billing.smartandgood.com, and you can go over here. You can log into your dashboard. Okay, so this is your client's area. We can click right here, and these are our services and products. And as you can see, this is the website we have been building. We can click right here to log into the cPanel. Okay, so this is your cPanel's dashboards. If you scroll down here, we can go to the file manager. Okay, we can navigate to the public HTML. Then we can go to the storage. Okay, and we can click right here to upload the files. We can click right here to choose the file, and as you can see, this is the files right here. Since I already uploaded, I'm going to cancel, but you can upload it. Okay, and as you can see, this is my key right here. Okay, so now all we have to do is just head back to our Smart AI dashboard. As you can see right here, this is our Smart AI dashboard. We can paste in the file's name right here. So basically, all you have to do is just click right here and rename it, and then you can copy this whole strings of name right here, and we can go back over here, paste this in right here, and this is your Smart AI project that you created on Google. Click right here to save, and just like that, we saved the settings successfully. Okay, so now we can go to the AI voiceover. We can test it out to see if it's worked. Right here, we have a bunch of languages, as you can see right here. We can use the US English right here. We can choose a voice right here, and we can change the pace. We can change the pause. We can click right here to say anything we want. Hello, everybody. Okay, we can click right here to preview. Okay, just like that, it's generated for us right here.
Hello, everybody.
Wow, look at that. And if you like this speech right here, you can click right here to generate it. Okay, and you can click right here to download it.
Hello, everybody.
Nice. Just like that, you guys, we have AI powers for our business. Just in case we want to make a certain videos, we need an image. We can go to the AI image right here. We can generate an image. For example, yesterday I tried to generate this image right here. Vietnam village sunsets, open horizons with coconut, dark trees, and an old lady. And this is what it came up with. It looked pretty good actually. Like if I don't tell you that this is an AI generated, you probably believe this is a real image, but this is AI generated, you know. Okay, so we can go to the AI chat right here. We can chat with these experts, you know, like interior design, time management, and stuff like that. Okay, we can go to the document over here. So these are all the documents that we have generated. And right here we have the affiliate where you can offer your customers the ability to make money with you. This is the affiliate link right here. People can copy this link right here and they can advertise on their channels. And when they drive traffic to your websites and when their customer make purchases on your website, this is where it's going to report their ability of earning this income right here. And they can enter their bank information right here, and then they can send a request for you to send them the affiliate payment. Okay, so there are a bunch of things that we can do with this website right here. For example, let's go to the front end of this website right here. Okay, so now we can make the changes for these text right here. We can make the changes for the front end of the website. So all we have to do is just go to our front end right here. We can go to the front end settings. Okay, so we can give our site a name, the URL, the site email. Okay, so it's look very promising. So these are the headline, banner, titles, sign in, sign up. Okay, and these are the headers text over here. Sign up and receive 20% point discounts during checkout. Okay, so basically this is the text right here, and we can go in here and we can make the changes for these. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward. So we can go in here and make the changes for this link right here to make sure it points to the right landing page. Okay, you guys, so I think this project right here is not very difficult for you to follow and do. I think this project right here is very challenging. I think it's good for people who are looking to get into the AI SaaS business. So there are a bunch of different things that I'm not going to go over because I want to leave it for you to explore. So if you decided to do this project right here, please use my affiliate link as I get a little bit kickback. And if you decided you need a hosting service, I have created the hosting environments that is compatible with this project right here. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment sections below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Peace.